Some mornings, it's not pain that wakes you, it's tightness. That silent, invisible pressure sitting in your lower back and hips like a fog you can't shake. Let's clear it with movement that breathes as deeply as you do. Let's hit the mat. We begin grounded, knees wide, toes together, arms stretched long. Let your forehead meet the mat. Feel your spine melt. Let your breath meet your body where it's been holding tension. This isn't just rest, it's a reset. I promise this posture activates your parasympathetic nervous system, calms your heart rate, and prepares your spine for motion without force. Beginners, place a pillow under your chest or forehead. Advanced stretches, try walking your fingers to one side and feel the stretch intensify along your ribs. Breathe into the stretch. Hold for 5 more seconds and imagine tension leaving your shoulders. That has grounded your nervous system. Now let's wake up your spine with rhythm. Come into tabletop, shoulders stacked over wrists, hips over knees. Inhale, drop the belly, lift the chest, cow. Exhale, around the spine, tuck the chin, cat. Let your breath guide the pace, not your mind. I promise this mobilizes your entire spine from neck to tailbone and gently activates your core. Beginners, a focus on range through the pelvis. Advanced stretches, add small shifts side to side between reps to explore stock tension. Did you know most back stiffness isn't due to weakness, but lack of movement? Stay with it. Now pause in your next cow. Hold for 5 seconds. Feel that ripple through your spine. That just unlocked your back. Now let's loosen up your hips. Sit tall, feet flat, knees bent. Drop both knees inward toward each other, then back to neutral. Now alternate side to side, slowly and mindfully. This is subtle but powerful. I promise it targets deep hip muscles you rarely think about, builds rotational control, and helps induce stiffness from sitting. Beginners, keep your feet wide. Advanced stretches, try placing hands behind you and lifting your feet slightly off the floor between reps. Most people never train internal hip rotation, and it shows in their posture, gait, even squats. Do you feel that yet? If not, slow down and own the control. Let's go. 5 more seconds. That just mobilized the deepest part of your hip. Now we'll lengthen the sides. Kneel on your right knee, left foot out. Place your left forearm gently on your left thigh and reach overhead, leaning into the side stretch to your right. Switch sides after 30 seconds. The stretch doesn't just target the side body, it recalibrates your posture by resetting the tension across your ribs and hips. I promise this move wakes up the obliques, unlocks breathing room, and softens that mid-back rigidity that sneaks in when you're stressed. Beginners, keep both hands on thighs for support. Advanced stretches, extend your reach through the fingertips and deepen the lean. Still breathing? Still stretching? 5 more seconds on each side. That just brace your torso. Now we extend through the spine and seal the reset. Lie on your belly, elbows under shoulders, forearms flat. Lift your chest, gaze forward. Let your lower back breathe. This is the final gentle reminder that extension is powerful, even when soft. I promise Sphinx helps reverse slouch posture, decompresses the spine, and creates calm without effort. Beginners, relax your glutes and let the body settle. Advanced stretches, press into your hands and lift the higher. Here's your challenge. Can you hold this and let go at the same time? Stay steady. 5 more seconds. Feel that exhale? That's not just flexibility, that's alignment.